Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify lost card replacement in Chase step by step clearly. To verify your lost card replacement in Chase, start by logging into your Chase online banking account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on your dashboard. Locate the account linked to the card you need to verify. Click on the account to view its details. Look for the Card Services option within the account details. Select Manage Cards from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see information about your current and replaced cards. Find the section indicating the status of your replacement card. It should display whether the replacement card has been issued and its expected arrival date. If you need further details, click on the replacement card status link. This may provide additional tracking information or instructions on usage. In case you do not see the information you need, contact Chase Customer Service. You can reach customer service through the phone number on their website. Have your account details ready for verification purposes. Explain your situation clearly to the representative. They will assist you in verifying your card replacement status. After confirming, follow any instructions given to ensure you receive your new card. Keep an eye on your mailbox for the arrival of your replacement card. Once it arrives, remember to activate it as per the provided instructions. Check your account again after activation to confirm the card is working properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.